Hi, welcome. This is Plasma, but it's not for Plasma, it's for any desktop. We use Pamac-aur not to update our systems. We have our own commands for that. We have update, we have scal, we have upall. You know the drill. But there is a great graphical user interface, Pamac-aur. But from time to time, you see the icons are missing. I say, hey, what's this, right? The thing is, it's due to a bug that's infiltrated somewhere upstream, and it's in the ArcoLinux appstream data, right? It's this file that provides us all these files and all this information. Problem is, every time this comes in to our systems, again, we need to run scripts to ensure that this works. Not anymore. But what you should know is, starting from the November release, we've added a package to your system, sudo pacman-s appstream. It's gonna be on your computer system. So basically, while I'm telling you, if you want to avoid frustration, install appstream. Because what we've done on our systems is adds a functionality, so we won't get the same frustrations every time ArcoLinux releases a package. We do following thing, and then everything will be fixed automatically. Sudo pacman-s ArcoLinux. Don't make typos like me. ArcoLinux appstream data. When a package comes in, this particular package comes in, next time, what will happen? It will fix ArcoLinux fixing icons. Appstream cache updated completely successfully. So we've added an ArcoLinux fix to it, so that whenever ArcoLinux appstream data gets an update, it gets fixed as well. This will happen if you've updated your system, right? So update, well, any operating system, it's important to update. But this particular thing is in ArcoLinux system config. And the guys who are on ArcoLinux D, they have an ArcoLinux D system config kit. And it's this particular update that's gonna ensure that we don't have any troubles anymore with Pamac-aur not showing icons. Short version, sudo pacman-s appstream. There is always, as you know, in your home, if you do, well, if you just follow our ISOs, there is a .bin stay rolling 2020, and in here as well, in the stay rolling, we have, yes, we have appstream added to it. So the only thing I need to do to still do is do a scal. Watch what happens. If you scal, you get overwritten. So remember what scal is all about. There it is. Appstream has been added to the script. And that's what we do. We stay rolling. We don't do clean installs. Well, we do, of course, because we break things, but basically we try to stay rolling on Linux, on ArcoLinux, on ArcoLinux. All right, I hope that makes things a little bit clear. So if you see an error, that might happen, and I've put it on Discord already, I've put it on Telegram already, then you're missing this application, right? Appstream. All right, cheers, have fun.